Your relationships are never meant to last.
Rescue me if I go out of track. I can get away with it.